Yes, there is no Pro Max next year. Apple is out with the iPhone 14 lineup and we started getting some information regarding the iPhone 15. And these are some big changes we might see on the iPhone 15 lineup. You guys might be surprised to see, but Apple is going to put a new 10x Periscope lens in the iPhone 15 Pro models. And that is not it. Through this, we might get a 50x digital zoom or whopping 100x zoom just like we have seen on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. But for that, Apple has already started working on it. You can expect a 4 lenses on the back instead of just 3 on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And chances are there, we might get a 8K recording feature in the next iPhone 15 Pro Max. Do you guys notice I said in the start, there is no Pro Max coming next year? Well, it is the reality. According to Mark Gurman, Apple is going to change the name of Pro models and the naming scheme will be changed to Ultra, just like we have already seen on the MacBooks and the new Apple Watch Ultra. We all know Samsung names their phones Ultra, so getting the name Ultra with the iPhones are a bit unbelievable. And you guys might be shocked to hear Apple is going to rethink its regular lineup with the iPhone 15 base model and Pro models in order to boost sales. Reportedly, Apple might create a bigger feature disparity between the iPhone 14 Pro models and standard models. So we might see some big features are not coming to the base model iPhone 15 just like they did with the iPhone 14. As we all know, iPhone 14 Pro Max is already so much powerful, even better than some of our laptops, but Apple is going to put a new 3nm chipset in the next iPhone 15 Pro Max, which is eventually a 17 Bionic chip, which will boost the performance and provide a great power efficiency better than what TSMC would offer in the next 4nm chipset in the upcoming Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 on Android smartphones. And you guys won't be surprised to see the same A16 Bionic chipset on the base model of iPhone 15. If you are up for USB Type-C, then it is coming because of one reason, the EU regulation to a USB Type-C port for 2024. So we might see some of the versions of iPhone 15 with the USB Type-C and some don't. Apple make a smooth transition between the Lightning cable and the Type-C. But there are some rumors regarding a portless iPhone, which for now it is not coming, maybe the coming years. As per Apple's history of releasing the iPhones, we might get iPhone 15 series somewhere between the mid-September to the first week of October, and we could possibly see a new Watch Ultra 2nd generation and Watch Series 9. And you guys know that the iPhone 14 Pro Max is faster than your laptops? If you don't, then you can watch this video. We'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.